Yes, hello guys, and thanks still for watching, and thanks still for subscribing. This is ITAU and I'm Julius Kawalya, still presenting to you the basic tutorials. Remember, we are looking at Microsoft PowerPoint. Remember, it is a presentation software which is under a suite of Microsoft Office. Alright, this time we are going to be learning something new. Something people have always asked me about. They have texted me inquiring me to show them how it's done. Still under here, this is my presentation. I'm still using road accidents. People have asked me, how do we insert graphs, how do we insert pie charts, and so on. Okay, sit and wait, learn. Please remember to subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and let that friend also tell a friend. Remember to like and click on that the subscribe button that you see down below you. Alright, now we're going to be learning basically how to create or how to insert different graphs or charts. So I'm going to use, remember, to insert a graph or a chart you have to be with data. So let me assume this is my data here, and I'm going to use it to insert or to draw a graph or a chart. Let me start with a chart. I'm going to highlight all my data in this table. Then I say copy, highlight the work, right click, copy. After copying, I'm going to create a blank slide. So I'm going to add another slide, a new slide. So it's going to be called slide number 5. It has no title. I'll create the title later. So when it opens here, you see these buttons here. It is showing me you can create a table, insert a chart, or any other. So I'll click on insert chart like this. So when I click here, it's alerting me what type of chart do you want to use. I'll say you can use a column. There are many, so let me try using a column or a clustered column chart. Okay, when I click here, I say okay. After saying okay, it is going to open another dialog box, or another box here, sorry, another window. Not a dialog box, it's going to be a window, and this time it's an Excel window format. So I want you to note here, I'm having, by default it will appear like this, category 1, category 2, but that's not what I want. So I come here, right click or highlight, then I paste in my information. Don't mind about this, you just say okay. Have you seen? The moment I paste here, it has changed. Are you seeing here? I have ginger, it is showing me the accidents. Then I even have a key that in 1999 and 2000 and series 3. So I don't want this series 3 here to appear, since I don't want it in my work. What I'll do, I'll just click here at the top, highlight the column I don't want, right click, then I say delete. After deleting, I think you see, this is what you see is what you get. What you edit here is what you get here. So my series has gone away. Are we together? So I'm having district 1999, unless when I'm asked to add another year. For example, I might be asked to add 2001 or 2020. I'll just say here in ginger they had 60, in Uganda they had 150, here they had 220, and here they had 40, like that. So have you seen, it has included 2020. So if I want another one, I just come here at the bottom here, drag, okay, it has given me 2020, 21. So I add more information. If I don't want that, just click here, then you say delete that column. Automatically it will disappear here. But I only want 2. I'll come here and also delete this like that. So after that, you just close this. Are we together? So it closes that window. You remain with your table here. Still, you can edit your graph as we did in Microsoft Excel. You get the chart tool tab here under your ribbon. You can design as you want, as we did in Excel. You can even go back and change your data. You can say select or change chart type. You can use this. You say okay. You say yes. Have you seen? Change chart type. You can use this. You say okay. Have you seen? You can even change the design as you want. I usually like this one, like this. There's the way it looks. It looks good and better. You can even add other features like the heading. You can add the chart title. You can add the axis and so on. Depends on what you want. Okay, the axis, you can come back here and you say rate. You can label your axes. Then you can come to the title. Just click once, highlight. Then you say districts. Okay, so we have districts. Then we have the key showing you that this one is this year and this one is this year. You can even select individual ones and you change. You come to format, you just select which you want. For example, I want to change to 22,000 format. You can change the shape fill to another color like that. You can even highlight this shape fill, give it another color. Let me give it red. Red is more better, like that. So that's how to basically insert charts. Are we together? So if you're asked to insert a chart, please don't worry. So you can even be asked to insert a pie chart. Remember, a pie chart represents only two values. You cannot create a pie chart to represent 2 years. It only represents 1 year. So I will select this only. For example, I say copy. I come here. I insert a new slide. Come here. This time I'll say I want to use a pie chart. Let me use this. Then I say okay. Still it will bring this one here out for me with the Excel sheet. Just highlight, right click, paste your data. Have you seen? Automatically as I pasted, it has already changed. 1999. Then if that's what I want, I just close this like that. Are we together? So I've got another pie chart to show my data. So I can edit it around, play around with it as I want. Okay, just like that. So I can also put percentages inside as I want. You can put them outside, depending on anything that you want, as you have been told to design. Still, I can change the layout. Okay, I can still have data labels in the center, inside, outside, best fit, and so on. I can even change the format. I can click on any shape I want here, like this one, shape fill. I can give it a different color. So ginger, Uganda is blue. I can come to ginger. Is it ginger? Yeah, let me change and see. Let me give it another color. I've given it orange. I can even come here, change this one to green. That's shape outline. Sorry, I want shape fill to green. Even here I didn't change the shape fill. Sorry, let me change the shape fill to this one, like that. I can even change this one, shape fill, to another color. Let it be purple. Okay, that's basically how you can play around with it. So please, if a question comes, insert a chart, don't worry. Are we together? So if you don't have these ones still, if you don't have a table, for example, let me assume you have a new slide, but you don't have a table. You can just click on here. You come to any chart you want. For example, I want this. Okay, still it will pop up this window. Let me try to make it smaller, like that. So you can just play around with number 1. These are the categories, these are the series. For example, category 1 can be like the districts. Let me say Mityana, I'll say Kampala. Are you seeing as I'm changing? Also there I'm changing. Then category 3, I want Masaka. Then category 4, I want Mubende. You can even add more depending on what you want. Then series can be like years or the events that you like. Let me say here cars. Let me say motorcycles, motorcycles. Then I can come here and I say series 3 is bicycles. How do they write bicycle? Bicycles, like that. Okay, then I can say here Mityana, people who bought cars were 100. Kampala, they were 300. Masaka 50. Mubende 10. Motorcycles in Mityana 200. Kampala 50. Masaka 10 and Mubende 5. Bicycles in Mityana, they were 10. Kampala 5. Masaka, they are poor, they were 200. And Mubende, it's a village, they were 300. Okay, have you seen? So it is changing around. After that, you just close. Otherwise, I think we have learned how to create charts and bar graphs in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Try to subscribe, advise others to love and like the page, please. For more information, call those numbers. For anything that you don't know or that you have not understood, we shall explain better again. Thanks for watching and subscribe more. Remember, you can still add more titles on your slide. Thanks for watching. Try to practice. ITAU ICT is fun.